Most people think canceling the Dave subscription is complicated. That's where they get it wrong. Here's the truth, no one tells you. In 2026, canceling Dave is actually simple, but many users miss the exact steps and end up still getting charged. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to cancel your Dave app subscription, step by step, and avoid unwanted fees. Let's start with the basics. Dave is a financial app that offers cash advances, budgeting tools, and banking features. The subscription is usually linked to your membership plan, which allows access to certain features like extra cash eligibility and account tools. For example, Alex signed up for Dave during a cash shortage. Later, he no longer needed it, but he forgot to cancel the subscription and kept getting charged monthly. Now here's where most people fail. They try to cancel only by deleting the app. That does not stop payments. Your subscription is still active in the background. So let's go step by step. First, open the Dave app and log into your account. Make sure you are using the same account that is linked to your subscription. Second, go to the account or settings section inside the app. This is where subscription management is usually located. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users cannot find the cancel option directly inside the app. That is because Dave may route subscription management through connected payment methods depending on how you signed up. In that case, you need to check your Apple App Store or Google Play Store subscriptions if you signed up through mobile billing. Jake ran into this exact issue. He couldn't find the cancel button in the app, but once he checked his Apple subscriptions, he found Dave still active there. Now let's continue with the steps. If you are on iPhone, open Settings, tap your Apple ID, then go to Subscriptions. Find Dave and select Cancel Subscription. If you are on Android, open Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, and cancel Dave from there. But here's the problem. This is where many users think they are done after canceling. But they forget to confirm the cancellation email, or check their next billing cycle. Always make sure the subscription shows as canceled before assuming it is complete. In a minute, I'll tell you what to do if you still get charged after canceling. If you are still being billed, contact Dave support directly through the app or website and provide your account details. In most cases, they can review and resolve billing issues quickly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Canceling the subscription does not delete your Dave account. You can still log in later if needed, but premium features may be limited. The key takeaway is simple. Canceling Dave in 2026 is not hard, but you must cancel it through the correct place, either the app settings or your App Store subscriptions. Deleting the app alone will not stop charges. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.